I was a quick, wet boy diving too deep for coins, all of your straight lines. Why don't my plastic toys, and when the cops closed the fair, I cut my long baby hair. Stole me a dog and mad, called for you everywhere. Have I found lost you, American mouth, big pill, I just do want to let you guys know, this song's a test. It's a vampire detection device. We're watching you and your behavior and your reaction to the song. There will be someone to meet some of you on the way out. Now I'm a fat house cat that's in my soul, blood tongue, and watching the war, boys and rats grow through the white fence cracks, pissing on magazine photos, those fish and lures thrown in the cold and clean. Little cries, mountain stream, have I found you? Thank you so much. You guys are wonderful audience. Thank you. Sacramento Cinema, Wade Lewis and Brett, Lee Allen, Ron Baba, Robert Berger, Jimmy, Spencer Felling. So long, everybody. Have a great week. Have a great week. guys a lot of fun. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. What's it gonna be? We all ran back into the briars, told our children about a foreign shore, threw our boots into the fire, told them all about a tug of war, about a seed and a shovel, a prison and a promised land, a dream of a devil, a healing and a hurting hand.